トラックうるさいめっちゃ。今撮影してんの？撮影してんの？ Sweet, thank you. Thank you. Sweet, thank you so much. You have a good one. ちっちゃ。アメリカンサイズが出てきるかと思って。Private. There you go. My God. It's like just waiting. What is up there, everybody, and welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are heading over to my good friends Key and Stefan's house. We're gonna go check out the one-of-one Widebody RX-7. It is such a beautiful color that they have painted, and they got it in PPF'd. And the Widebody I have never seen anywhere but in Japan, and I think she is the first one in the United States to get this particular Widebody. So I'm gonna have her explain everything, you know, all the Widebody kits that they put on her car. And as you guys know, guys, RX-7 is one of my dream car. If I get a house, that's one of the car I'm definitely gonna get it in the 1994 the yellow color RX-7. Excuse me, I just had a McDonald's and then my lung is not feeling it. So yeah, I usually don't eat junk food, but sometimes it's good to eat junk food, right, babe?
I think you do.
No, I don't eat that much junk food. We are about 15 minutes away. We're almost there. So yeah, let's go check their car out, what it looks like. This looks nice. That is, oh my God, that is so close. Good Jesus, dude, that is so. Yeah, it's hitting it.
Adjust it now, because you're like right here. Go up and then angle it more. This is where I hit it last time too. Yeah, see, it's like.
Yeah. Bro, you gotta leave this thing at the shop. Yeah, the rear diffuser, man. That's really close. That's the problem.
That's the problem.
That is, damn, dude.
It took me 30 minutes
Yeah.
last time. I was so pissed.
Now the problem is this dip right here. Yeah, you get slow. Let me come around this side real quick. Go slow. Damn, that fit. Oh. Pop. Trying to do two-step in front of me, I swear. Yeah, you're good. You should be good. Yeah. You want me to move? Yeah, I'll move my truck. Made it.
Yeah, that was smooth.
Now you gotta get out.
A few inches later.
Small car. Oh, sexy. You only see these body kits in Japan. So, yeah, super JDM. This is really nice. I like the color. This is the Porsche GT3 color. This color purple right here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's like very dark purple. So at night it looks black, but at daytime it looks purple. It's really sick, I think, in my opinion. So the tire size on these are 315. Where is it? 315 30 ZR18. 315, and he still needs a 15mm spacer right here. In the front, it doesn't need any spacers. It's still just the 315s. Yeah, Key, you might need to upgrade some endless brake calipers. Endless. Send her some sponsorship, please. Onegaishimasu. But yeah, damn. It looks really nice though. This is well done. Honestly, this is how you know, do a Widebody. I feel like a lot of Widebody, they, cut corners, but obviously Stefan knows what he's doing. So, really nice. Shout out to Race Centric. And then the lowdown boys. These guys are from from Australia, right? The lowdown? Yeah. Yeah. These guys are down in Australia. They make some sick films. Really love it. Alright, let's move on to the interior real quick. Let's see the interior. Interior got bridge seats. Wait, is this like a limited edition Momo Japanese steering wheel?
So this one is Japanese market
Look.
only.
Yeah, this is in the Japanese market only, apparently.
And,
that steering
it's
wheel.
discontinued now. So I got very lucky when we were in Japan last time. I found one.
Really?
And I tried to find it online.
Yeah.
Couldn't even find it.
Really?
One of one.
So this steering wheel is 101. Last time when they went back to Japan, they found it. This was the last one that was up for sale. That is sick. Can I have it? This is sick, man.
1,000.
What the 1,000?
US.
And sucky. What? I'll let the master wipe it. Okay, sounds good. This is professional. Can you wipe me too? Is that an RX-7? Wow! Is that an RX-7? Thanks, babe, for filming me today. The person that's filming me today, she is a famous news reporter from Japan.
Not famous.
Yeah, you are. You're famous. You're
Not famous.
more famous than I am. More famous than JDM Dennis.
I'm trying to get the color actually.
So the exhaust here, we have the HKS exhaust. Sounds really good. It smells really good. You can smell the rotary engine from it. Man, it sounds really nice. I'm glad she kept the original rotary engine, man. Not the LS. She didn't do an engine swap, which is nice. Carbon fiber diffuser is just insane. This is just way too low. I'm so scared of it. Over here we have an easy access to the gas. Started to rain.
I have a question. I saw the Ehime sticker, like the shaken.
Yeah.
Like, so they bought it in Ehime, or this car was made in Ehime?
So this car was driven in Ehime, but
okay.
they bought it from Japan.
So that's the reason why they have a
The shaken sticker.
shaken sticker.
Look at that. 3 airplanes just flying together. Still trying to get my lens wet. That's pretty dope.
The tracking was legit.
Yeah, I'm ready anytime. It's like very like smooth. Huh?
出しそうになるってこと？
So. Like everything is different because everything is right-hand drive.
Yeah.
Everything is on this side, so my clutch to like
Yeah, I get it.
like work and everything is like everything is on the opposite. Like I mean the clutch and gas pedal is the same, but it's still kind of like get a little confusing, you know?
Yeah, I get it.
But
yeah, it happens to me when I go back to Japan too.
Yeah. Honestly, if I could drive a right-hand drive stick shift, I think I could get it down pretty much anything.
How was it? Good?
This is fun. Yeah, this is so much fun. She goes back into the garage. Whoa, jeez. Friggin' popped. Nice. Alright guys, well that pretty much wrap up for today's video. I am showing you guys my baby Jade, my RSX Type S. I took the transmission out, as you guys know. So far so good. I'm gonna be replacing the ball joints on these, but as you guys know, these are really hard to come off. So I soaked it in with the WD-40, kind of just letting it soaked. And should be about time to pretty much take these out. Should be easier to come out now. So yeah, I installed a new clutch, as you guys can see right in there. So this is the Acura Stage 1 clutch. I'm gonna give it a shot. If this is not good, then let me know what you guys would recommend. So yeah, I don't know if you guys have seen my new moped yet. I don't think I have revealed it in my channel, but yeah, I did get a moped, so that video is coming soon. So yeah, but anyways guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys did, please give me a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel guys, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I hope you guys enjoyed the one-of-one Widebody RX-7 in the United States. I have seen maybe 1 or 2 of them in Japan at the Tokyo Auto Salon, but that's really about it. But yeah, so 1 in Tokyo Auto Salon, and I think 1 was at that other event that I have seen it, I think, if I'm right. But I definitely have seen it at least once in my life with that body kit in Japan. Even in Japan with that body kit, it is pretty rare. So seeing that in the US, I mean, Miss Kirati is the only one that has it in the US, which is really, really rare. So yeah, but anyways guys, there's definitely more content coming for my Jade and my truck. God, I'm going to be doing a lot of things on the truck. So I'm going to be replacing the fuel line hoses, and then the fuel pressure regulator valve, which goes in the back. That, and then God, I'm doing a lot. Lift pump, because for some reason those Duramax never came with lift pump, and then that's the first modification you should do on those Duramax, which is lift pump. From 2001 to all the way up to 2016 model, I think it was, or 2010 model, somewhere around there. I think it was up to 2016 model. You always get the lift pump. That's the first thing you should do to your truck. Another thing is I'm probably going to be upgrading it to a redhead steering gearbox, and also probably replacing a steering pump and steering hose line, because it is leaking from the steering hose. So should replace that, and then I need to get new wheels and tires, and I should be good to go on the truck. So yeah, maintenance is key. And then I need to also replace a brake line as well, so because brake lines are rusted. So yeah, it's about time. So yeah, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys did, please give me a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel guys, make sure to hit the subscribe button. I'm going back to Japan again this November. Yes, because I am getting married next March. So I have to go back to go check out the venue. So I'm only going to be there for like maybe a week and a half, 2 weeks or so. So stay tuned on that. I might film some cars. I might not. I will see. I'm going to be pretty busy, as you guys know, with that wedding thing. So yeah, but I am going to be getting married. So soon, probably I'm going to be having kids and all that too. So I'm really excited for that. So yeah, but other than that guys, peace out and stay thirsty my friends.